Hey everybody, it's Johnny Mac with the Sauce and Gravy channel. Today we're going to dive into a Velouté sauce. It's one of the 5 French mother sauces. Please do check the description below for a list of the ingredients. Grab a saute pan, turn it up to medium heat, throw in 32 grams or 2.5 tablespoons of butter and slowly melt that butter down. Add 31 grams or 4 tablespoons of flour to the pan. Give it a little whisk. Cook that roux for 1 minute. Now it's time to add a little bit of a liquid to this roux mixture. Grab 296 milliliters or 1 1/4 cup of chicken stock and whisk it on in. You're going to want to add a cool chicken stock to the warm roux mixture. Now you're going to get a little bit whiskey with it. Make sure that it's well incorporated in. Reduce this mixture for roughly 10 minutes on medium to low heat. Make sure that you keep watching it. Make sure you keep whisking it. Once it starts getting thick, go ahead and switch over to a spoon. Keep on stirring it up. Keep on watching it. Alright, check it out y'all. This mixture is silky smooth. It's reduced really well and it looks absolutely fabulous. Once you get to this point, go ahead and grab your cream. Grab the 3 egg yolks, put them into the cream. Then we're going to go ahead and grab some of the warm mixture, spoon it on in. We're going to temper those eggs. Then go ahead and stir it up a little bit. You might even grab a fork. It might even do a little bit better of a job to give it a little bit of a thrashing. Alright, so once it's mixed up very nicely, go ahead and grab the whisk and pour this on into the mixture. Cook this over low heat for roughly about 1 minute. Once the sauce is where you want it to be, go ahead and add a little bit of white pepper and salt to taste. And there you have it, a Velouté sauce. Please check the description below for a list of the ingredients. Hit that like button, please do subscribe and help support the channel, and you know what, I'll see you next time.